Good morning students, myself Geetika Kalra, and today in this video we are going to learn about the types of teeth. So there are 4 types of teeth in human beings. The name of them are incisors, canine, premolars and molars. So first of all we should learn that there are 4 types of teeth in human beings. Now let us see next. So incisors are sharp and blade-like for cutting food. For example, you might use them to bite into an apple. Then comes the canines. Canines are strong and pointed for tearing food. You might use them to tear off a piece of tough meat. Then comes the molars. Molars are broad and flat on top for crushing and grinding food. For example, you might use them to grind up the nut meat. And last but not the least are the premolars. Premolars share features of both, that is the canines and the molars. So we use them for tearing as well as for the grinding food. Now let us see next. So in this figure also you can see the different types of teeth and their function, that is incisors are wide, flat and cutting edge. Then canines are used for cutting, gripping, wrapping food. They are sometimes also called eye teeth. And molars and premolars, they are flat surfaces used for grinding. Molar teeth is large but premolar is smaller. Now let us see next. Next is what to ask your dentist. So you should ask your dentist what kind of toothbrush you should use and how to brush your teeth well. Ask if an electric toothbrush is right for you. Electric toothbrushes have been shown to have clean teeth better than manual toothbrushes. They often also have a timer to let you know you have reached the 2-minute mark. So if you are not using the electric toothbrush, at least you should brush with the manual toothbrush for at least 2 minutes. Then how to properly floss your teeth. Overly vigorous or improper flossing may injure the gums. Whether you should use any special appliances or tools such as water irrigation. This may sometimes help supplement brushing and flossing. Then last but not the least, whether you could benefit from particular toothpaste or mouth rinses. In some cases, over-the-counter paste and rinses may be doing you more harm than good depending on your condition. So you should always ask your dentist what kind of toothbrush and how to brush the teeth, and if there is any need of using some special appliances. Now next is when to call the dentist. So call your dentist if you have the symptoms of the cavity that include pain in the tooth that occurs for no reason or is caused by food, beverages, brushing or flossing, sensitivity to hot or cold foods or drinks. You should get early treatment for gum diseases. Call your dentist if you have the symptoms of gum diseases that include like swollen gums or bleeding in the gums, bad breath, loose teeth or drifting teeth. So these all are the times when you should call your dentist. And then what should you do for your teeth? Floss at least once per day. It is best to floss after brushing. Flossing removes the plaque that is left behind after brushing from between the teeth and on the gums. And second point, brush your teeth at least twice a day with a soft bristled toothbrush. Brush for at least 2 minutes each time. Third point is use fluoride toothpaste. The fluoride helps strengthen tooth enamel and helps prevent tooth decay. Next, fourth point is replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or sooner if needed. A worn out toothbrush will not clean your teeth as well. If you use an electric toothbrush, change heads after 3 to 4 months as well. Then you should eat a healthy diet. You are less likely to get gum disease if you eat healthy foods. Next point, avoid sweets and sweetened drinks. Eating and drinking a lot of sweets increases your risk of cavities. Next point is do not smoke. Smokers have more teeth and gum problems than non-smokers. Last, keep dentures, retainers and other appliances clean. This includes brushing them regularly. Last point is schedule regular checkups with your dentist. Many dentists recommend having their teeth professionally cleaned every 6 months for optimal oral health. Seeing the dentist every 3 to 4 months may be needed if your gums become unhealthy. So these are the points you should remember for your teeth to be in a proper condition. Okay students, so I hope that after watching this video you have understood about the types of teeth and how to maintain your proper oral hygiene. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep brushing and maintain hygiene. Okay, then goodbye and take care.